Hey folks, Ray from loveyourrv.com. A quick update on this Oxygenics shower head. We love the shower head. It's a 5-position RV Fury, but it's not a cheap shower head. And this is the 3rd time the holder is broken. Instead of making it out of metal, they make it out of cheap, crappy plastic or something. And I guess my wife uses it a lot on and off, so she's twisting it, and every few years it busts, and I can't seem to find the product just as the holder, so we got to buy a whole flaming new shower head just to fix that one problem. So kind of disappointing. I thought I'd let you know, if you have this, be extremely careful of it, because it's not really strong. It's a flaw, and I've told them about it. Last time it broke, I told them, you know, you got to fix that holder. It's weak. It's the weak part of your product. So I think I'm gonna maybe this time try to Gorilla Glue it. Let's see if that works. Here's a closer look at the holder. See, I have a little rubber kind of seal in there, and the ball rides on that. So when you do it up tight enough to hold the shower head in place, it kind of makes it a little stiff to move around. Kind of a poor design. You think a shower head company would kind of figure that out. Anyway, it didn't completely break, so I think I might get away with some Gorilla Glue on that sucker. I'll let you know. And it's broken enough times now that I actually carry a spare. It's not as functional as the original one, but it does the job until I can fix it or replace it. So the Gorilla Glue cured overnight. I don't think it's going to have enough structural strength. So what I'm going to do is use this G-Flex epoxy from West Systems. This is what I used to repair some cracks in my waste tanks, and it's worked out really well. It's actually made, I think they make it for repairing plastic kayaks. So I think if I use it on here, I can build up a little more structural strength there once this epoxy cures on the back. Anyway, worth a shot. So I put a good layer of that stuff around the crack, and it's hardened for 48 hours, and it's nice and hard now. One good thing about this G-Flex epoxy is it does have a little more flexibility than a traditional 2-part epoxy. So I'm hoping it's going to do the trick on this, but we'll install it and check it out. Back in business. So I use that for several showers here and come back and let you know if it held up. Well, that seemed to have done the job. A couple showers anyway. It hasn't appeared to re-crack, which is nice because I like this shower head. This is a Oxygenics Fury. It has a 5-position shower on it. So once again, that was the West Systems epoxy plastic boat repair. Seems to be really good stuff. And the first thing I did, I used this clear Gorilla Glue just to kind of glue the plastic together, and then once it had set up, then I coated it with the epoxy. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Thanks for watching, folks.